Hi guys, in this video we are going to see what is an API. So basically most people ask themselves like what is an API? API is the acronym for Application Programming Interface, and it is a software intermediary that allows two applications to talk to each other. So are an accessible way to extract and share data within and across organization. So let's understand it with the help of an simple example. So let's assume that there is a couple which went to the restaurant and they want a cup of coffee. It is common that they can't directly go to the kitchen and then say, "Hey, chef, I want a cup of coffee and give it to me." Okay. So at this situation, what they does is that they calls a waiter and give them their requirement to the waiter. Okay. So they say, "Hey, waiter, I want a cup of coffee." And what waiter will do, it will take all the requirements or the order from the couple, and then it will take that order to the chef. What chef will do, he will prepare a cup of coffee and give it back to the waiter. Now the waiter will take that coffee and go back toward the couple and provide them the cup of coffee. So in this way we had learned that the waiter acts as an intermediary for exchanging the information between the couple and the chef. In the same way, for the internet, the API act as an intermediary between the web server and our application for exchanging data by any kind of things. If you want to post data, if you want to extract data, if you want to delete data, anything we can do with the help of API. Suppose a user want to see a list of images of laptop. So what it does is that it sends request through web application to the web server by the means of API. API takes all the requirements from the web application that hey, the users want the images of laptops and kindly search it and provide it back to me. So web server receives the API as a form of request, then it search the list of images of laptops in the database, gathers it and provide it back to the API as a mean of response. So API takes that response back to the web application and displays the list of images on the web application. Okay, so in this way, the API acts as an intermediary between the web application and the web server. It first takes the request, then the web server perform the necessary action, gathers information, and give it back to the API as a means of response. Okay, so in simple terms, we can say that API is a application programming interface, which is a set of rules or protocols that enable software application to communicate with each other to exchange data, features, and functionality. Okay, so API allows for the sharing of the necessary information, keeping other system details hidden, which helps with the system security. Servers or devices don't have to fully expose data, and API enables the sharing of small pockets of data relevant to the specific request. Okay, so in this way, API works. I had made a video where I had shared what are the different types of API requests. You can see that, and in the next video, we will see some different stuff related to computer science. So for now, bye bye.